You've heard all about these Grok Bots that everybody seems to be using now, and they're so amazing. And I have to say that I agree. I really love Grok Bots. However, the first time I started to use them, I ran through my tokens a little fast. So this week, I'm going to slow down a little bit, try to take it easy. I am delegating a little more with, let's just say, caution. And I want Simon, who is my chief of staff, to delegate across all of my LLMs and not just within the Grok bots, because I think that that's going to be the key to making sure that I have enough tokens to last me for the entire week and not just 3 days, which is what happened last week. So I'm going to open up everything, complete autonomy. I'm going to show you my entire process, how it works, who I'm talking to, how I set up my week with my Grok bots. I will warn you, it's a little boring. So if you are into boring videos about technology, then I'm your girl. Go ahead and sit right there and get some popcorn because you're probably going to need it. Maybe an alcoholic beverage will help you get through. If you want to watch my process, though, here you go.
Did you hit like and subscribe? No? Well, how else are you going to see more fun appearances from Fake Me? Never know when I'll show up.
So I've asked Simon to plan the week on newsletter swaps, YouTube shorts, YouTube videos I need to do, social media, a bunch of different things that I need to do. And I also told him that I want a plan laid out before he starts anything. I need to conserve tokens, so I'll need you to determine what can be delegated to chat, Grok Desktop, Claude, or Gemini, which can be communicated with via Notion. And this is my Notion, and it's communicating between all of my LLMs. So he has responded for this next week coming up. He's not going to start anything until I approve it. He was telling me that this manuscript is due Friday the 28th. This actually, I'm going to push back and say I pushed the launch back to 10:1 so that he knows. Karen owns, I do not have book clicker. She works with the queue. I'm going to have to work on this a little bit with Karen. I've created this little group of newsletter buddies here that I haven't started anything with yet, but I've got Karen, who is my newsletter queen. She runs that department. And then my pen names, who are supposed to know everything about my pen names, and then my press, who is supposed to write the press. And so I have the three of them hopefully working together to do the newsletters, and I need to create a routine for that. So that's on the agenda that I wanted to do with them. YouTube shorts, that Joey, he will take care of creating the week of shorts from what I've already recorded, and he knows where that is. That is actually on my computer. I am taking Phoebe out of the equation because she's shit for graphics, so I'm not going to use her anymore. I'm going to either create my own or have ChatGPT do the graphics, because at least Chat can do decent graphics. My social stuff. Okay, so he's got ChatGPT is going to plan the week in Notion. Gretchen does not invent a calendar. You pick, then Gretchen. Process stage 1, I only route. Chandler's finishing the revamp and the add-ons. Matt's going to check out my new site. And then I had done a survey, and two different surveys in my school community so that I know what to focus on for next quarter based on their responses. And so Ross is going to pull that and we'll figure that part out. But what I do need to respond to that, because Claude has already started a thing with the responses for the survey. So that needs to be put in here. And then Peggy's going to help draft the ads for the different tier classes that I'm planning to do. And also I am going to start advertising the paid beta reads. And then who spends the tokens would be Simon. No extra hunts, no crew pylon, ChatGPT via Notion, Social Week. Claude is doing the newsletter bodies if Karen needs a first draft. Gemini only if I want a second opinion on Meta versus X. Skip if we don't need it. Grok Desktop, one-off heavy lifts. You open yourself long site pass, big ad metrics, not a second Simon. True. I don't need him to be a second Simon. Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, get Notion brief from me. After you say go, I will not message all of them at once. One brief at a time. Nothing sends, spends, or publishes without you. I'm going to change a few things first. Sasha's Awakening is on a 10-1 pre-order. God, I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay, and that's great to remind me of that because I'd forgotten. So that's great. Okay, so I need to let him know. Okay, Claude already, I should probably just speak this. Started reviewing the survey results from the school survey. Ask him to share them with you so that you can reroute to who needs them for the class planning. I will also give him the results of the second survey I did so he can give those to you as well. I'm also working on an Odyssey contest video, and I also need to complete the last two videos for the Write My Book with Claude Cowork series that I'm putting up on YouTube for this week. And I want to start another series after that about writing or editing my book, maybe. So he's going to get all that information right there. And I'm still kind of torn on exactly what I need to put in here. So let's go one more because I think there was something else I missed, but I had forgotten all about Sasha's Awakening being released on 10/1, so we need to work on that book as well. Those two need to be priority, as well as Dead Assets. There are 3 priority books right now, and we need to start getting Kelsey's newsletter going. So I was thinking about offering a character dossier as a reader magnet to start the ball rolling with that particular reader newsletter swapping. And we also need to make sure that her website is up and going. And I believe Nora Brooks' books are almost ready to release as well. Since that's a completely different genre and pen name, we could probably start the ball rolling on them as well. But I think I want to wait and release them in November for the Christmas rush. So make sure that I remember that later in the future. Note that in Notion somewhere. Last week's newsletters were completed by Laura. So this week, I would like Karen to focus on the swaps and setting up a spreadsheet where the swaps can go, whether or not that's the spreadsheet that's already in place inside Notion or she creates a new one. Either way is fine, but we need to have a swap spreadsheet set up that will make it easier for everyone who may need to know what's being swapped where and when. And once we have that in place, I'd like to see what she can come up with for Sage's newsletter and then give that to ChatGPT work to create. And I think, okay, that's my updated list. Please create a new plan and run it by me before you implement anything. Okay, so now I have sent him all of that to work on and figure out. After last week, when I pretty much ran through all of my tokens in 2 days, I am a little more cautious about how I'm using them this time because I pretty much just went on this because I was just so excited to have it. And so I'm looking now at my weekly usage. So I'm at 1%. That's good because I pretty much just started using it again. I went through my on-demand and all of my usage last week. And so I've kind of slowed down my Grok Bots this week so far. But I decided I was going to start over with a clean slate and let's see where we get to. And I'm not going to delete any of my bots just yet. I have a feeling that I'm going to want them later anyway. I created quite a few for different reasons. They have specific tasks and duties that each one of them needs to know about. So I have a lot going on. And so they're kind of like a brain dump. So I think last week was just a huge brain dump into, the Grok Bots. And so now maybe we can work a little more efficiently. So he's giving me an updated week. I'm probably going to have him I'll probably have Grok Build create, I already have actually, create a planner for me that I will have Simon update for me so I can keep track of things. So he's got my contest video that I'm working on, and that is going on in Grok Imagine. Let's see. I've got those two. We'll need to do those. Claude, me, planning. God, I can't talk. He already has a school survey. Yep. I ask him via Notion for both write-ups, and then I route. Karen swaps only, +1 swap spreadsheet. It's real, new if it isn't. Laura did last week's. Okay, nothing sends. He doesn't know that this is probably built. Dossier is a reader magnet. Yep, okay, swap path. Website live, Nora's books. Release, okay. Cut and upload the two. Nope, okay, so Joey is not going to have any part of the co-work videos except for maybe creating shorts out of them. But those I'm doing myself. I just need him to create shorts from the live videos, the live replay videos from the classes that I've got already. And I need those to be approved before they go live. And still on the board. Yep. And he's still not starting this week because he knows that I did not tell him to go yet, which is pretty awesome. Tokens, media route, daily brief, Sage, social only. No Gemini, nothing sends, spends, or publishes without you. There was one more thing that I wanted to go back to. Oh, I'd like Karen to hand ChatGPT work, the actual work to create the newsletters after she has done the swaps. I think that having a handoff would be a good idea at this point, but the swaps need to be done by Karen. And if she needs a team, let me know, because she needs to do the swaps for each pen name. Beyond that, I'm going to have ChatGPT take over because I think ChatGPT work would actually work really well for this, and that's what I'm paying him for. So this is an example of how I'm working with my Grok Bots right now. Karen does the swaps. She has to cover every pen name. She needs a second pair of hands. Live swaps are, I already knows, that's good. I'm going to have her do the live 4. I do want Kelsey and Nora to have swaps, but I'm thinking I'm going to wait another week for that. And Joe needs a magnet. Oh, that's a good point. So I'm going to just have her swap in the live 4 and recast, and I'll review. Okay. And he is reviewing only, and he has not talked with any of the other bots yet, because I told him at the beginning, we need to save tokens this time, because before he was going back and forth with everybody and they were having a good old time chatting it up and spending all my money. So we're going to do it this way and see how it works. Okay, so he knows that's going on. Dead assets. Yes, a school. Karen is doing those 4 swaps only, doing the, okay, great. And store revamp. Let's start it. That looks good. So now Simon is working and his little thing is going. That's fun. So he's working. He's not really doing anything on his computer right now because he's still thinking. I do get the daily briefs every morning at 6:30. I think I want to change that to a different time, but he is doing this. So to show you guys, he is my chief of staff. Generate a lean weekday daily brief. Credits are tight. Oh, he added this. I didn't add that. He added it because he put the date on there. Do this yourself. No executor, no crew pings, no retries if something fails. So he actually has updated this for himself. Very interesting, because I don't believe that. I only told him that he was my chief of staff and that he had a Notion page. That's all I actually told him. So that's very interesting that he has taken upon himself to update his own. Now here he's messaging bots. So he messaged 2 bots, and we've got our bots are now working. You can see that Karen is on it. She's creating the Google Sheets. And we've got Joey, and he is grabbing those shorts to get those ready to go. And Notion gets the Nora November note, and the Claude surveys. The week is on. Karen is on the swaps. Nora's going. The Christmas date stuff is written down here, so it's already in Notion. Karen has now messaged him back. And so I'm going to leave it there because he's got everything under control for the moment. I still haven't decided if I'm going to use this little group, but I find it fascinating that I can create a little group of members to work on the same routine. So when I decide if I'm going to do a group work team thing, I'll do another video to show you guys how I do that. I hope you found this helpful. If you made it this far, congrats. You have gotten through the entirety of my process of planning for my next week, and truly part of the next quarter is what you saw there. I have not finished all of the planning that I'm doing, but I've got Simon going and getting stuff done for me. So that is the process.
Me again! Told you I'd be back to make sure you didn't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Just keeping it real.
I look forward to seeing you within my community, and I'll chat with you guys later. Bye.